Here we are at Burnaby Lake, and we have masses of ducks. And a couple geese. Whew. I love that sound they make. Look at them all. I'm going to try to drop some food. There's species in there. Look at them. Gansers. I'm seeing all kinds of species here that I don't normally see. But they get lost in the shuffle. There's one here. What's that type there? It's handsome. It may be a pintail, I'm not sure. There are pintails around here. And the problem is you got to pick the species out. And they're kind of massing. I'm going to drop food in the water. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. Oh, look at them all. Whoa! Ducks! Jesus! You know, the blackbirds aren't coming down. You can hear them. Look at this. Oh, shit. Birds? This is nuts. Wow, I can't even get them all in. And they're coming from way over there. Look at that. They just sort of know, I guess. Idiots. Look at them. A goose pops up here and there, and it's, I think that's our pintail. No, it's not our pintail. There is one of them. Very handsome ducks. Now, if I'm wrong about the pintail, somebody let me know. It's got a very sharp tail, that's for sure. Very beautiful. I'm going to try a little more. Birds. Coming way as far as the eye can see. Guys. Pintails. It is indeed a feeding frenzy. And a great big fat goose over there. He's mad at me because I'm not feeding him. Gorgeous birds. Why do they want that so badly? You know, they're the fattest ducks I've ever seen. The water here is shallow. I haven't had luck with blackbirds yet, though. Oh, you guys, I gotta carry on here. I am hearing blackbirds galore, but they're acting shy today, and I don't know why that happens. Let's see if they... Look at this! That is crazy! That is completely nuts! Look. Look at them all. Look at them all. Yeah, the whole lake full. There's all of Burnaby Lake. And there's a pintail again. Popping in and out. I'm virtually certain that's a pintail. They were pointed out to me one time. Look at this. Look how massed together they are. All you can see is their backs. Let's see how far back I can go with this. Look at the rest. Look at that. That is nuts. See, there's the water out there. I didn't even got to the water yet. Aw, guys. All you can really see is their backs. So that's all I can get. Yeah, they're really, really fat ducks, too. I mean, they are massive. There's no way they're hungry. Acting that way. Now, I don't know why. The blackbirds are there, but they're acting really shy. Some days they're like that. I don't really know why. They're almost a stone's throw away. Not that I throw stones at a bird. And they're making that sound, which is why I click my tongue. That's the closest I can make to a blackbird sound. I can't zoom in because I got a handful of seeds. But these guys aren't coming down. They're so funny. They're having a group chirp today, and that happens some days. They're not coming down. Listen to them, though. Beep, beep, beep. Sound like little car horns. Birds. Well, maybe do the sound is fantastic. That is so weird. This has happened before though, and I don't know what it's all about. Crazy. Come on. Don't be shy. I don't know why there's some days you don't want to come up, other days your mom. So last time we were here, they were flying down and landing on my head. And look at this guy. You won't even see. I've got my seeds. And he's beeping like a car horn. See if this will bring them. But yeah, listen to that sound. Cool. Lots of quacking, lots of... I don't know who all is up here. Maybe I'll just let this run. Listen to this. Ducks are going back in the water over there. But wow, what a frenzy that was. Come on. Oh, why they're being like... Oh, here we go. Here we go. Beauty. There's the beauty. Why are you guys so noisy today? How come you're so noisy? Usually if one comes down, then the rest will follow. Oh, I love my blackbirds. Come on, guys. Look at them over here. They're on the ground. You see them all? One came up. There's that chorus. I love that. Beautiful. In other years we've had this happen too, and whenever that happens, they don't want to come down. They're shy. They're not normally shy, but this time they are. Well, let's see who's out here. Oh, no kidding. This is crazy. More pintails. I don't want to start a feeding frenzy now. I really don't. There's a pintail. And some duck. They're mixed in with the mallards. They're not a separate flock. I'm seeing a scattering of them. They're really nice looking birds. Look at this guy. Beautiful! Fairly easy to pick out. The mallards are enormous. I don't know what's in the food out here. Massive. Big fat breasts on them. Just because it's winter. I don't know. Aha, pintail. Pin the tail on the bird. Very, very handsome. And I don't think I see pintails anywhere else. There's 5 or 6 different places we go to bird watch, including our own backyard. What's great about Burnaby Lake is they're right up against the dock in shallow water, and they tend to float around, like this guy. So you see people with big telephoto lenses out here. Zoomed the wrong way. So I've got feeding frenzy, 1 blackbird, and a gorgeous pintail. Look at them. And the light is such that, it's really good light for filming too. It's not even going too fast, so. Oh goodness, magnificent. And there's geese and there's gulls. There may be some dowitchers out here too. Just take, the sun's in my eyes, but I'm going to take, this is one thing I often don't take. This is my favorite bird watching place. It might just be my favorite place in the whole world. I'd like to be buried here. If I could get my ashes scattered. This is so beautiful. Pintails, a lot of pintail ducks. Have you got my toast? Okay. A lot of pintails. You see the gray one out there going under the branch? That's a pintail. Very handsome. I'm excited. So there's geese, there's ducks. I want to see what's there. Yeah, you'll work your way back. I don't normally take longer videos, but today I'm going to. The water's high out here. This is the great thing. You can just stand here and the birds go bobbing around. There's a wood duck. See lots of these guys just snoozing. And sometimes you see dowitchers. In fact, I do see dowitchers. They're way out there though. They are there. Blurry. They're like a sandpiper, but a little bit different. Legs are going. That is dowitchers in. Brisk day. And what these are, there's a lot of gulls today too, which you don't often see. This handsome guy. Wood ducks are very handy. We did see the mandarin duck, or ducks. A couple of crows are noisy. Jesus, look at them out there. Everybody's noisy today. Huge flock of crows. I don't often see that either. They're all the way over here. It's like something from a Van Gogh painting. They all are. Not too losing focus, but yeah, the noise of these guys. And over here, I haven't seen most of the gulls. Geese. Gulls are interesting too. Everybody's decided to make noise today. Here's the view. So we have blackbirds, but they don't.
I think someone came because one day I counted over 70 golf balls, and then I came back like a month or two later and I didn't see as many in here.
Oh.
Yeah, it could be. In that high water we had, yeah.
Let's make this little chuffing sound.
But I see some guys coming here with those long.
Hard to focus. All those white blobs are gulls. And this is something you rarely see is gulls roosting out here.
But they can only get what they can reach
flying
from the
overhead.
Like 10 to 20 feet away from the dock, maybe.
In the fall, my body goes with 175
Yeah, I'm telling you, they're all sleeping out there. And there are others, but they're so far out. I don't remember ever seeing the crows do this. Every time you go here or anywhere, it's different. You don't know what you're going to get. Last time you were here, there weren't many of anything. These damn crows. What are they up to? I've got to make my way back. The dowitchers are there. This is going to be a long video. I never post long videos. I usually do a bunch of short ones, but yeah, they're way out there. But there are dowitchers. A little tiny bird on stilts. Nice. Blackbirds are noisy. The crows are noisy. The gulls are just sitting there, bobbing around, not doing anything much. Look at this guy. Why is the crow standing in the water? Get closer without losing him. What are you doing there? He's in the water. These guys too, listen to them. Holy shit. These guys are going. Since it's such a clear day. Thousands of crows out there. Look at them. Now we've been coming here 10 years, about. I've never seen this. Crows like to mass, but I've never seen this many. What, a 15-minute video? What the hell? 15 minutes. Craziness. I get closer to the pintails. There's the sandpipers, or rather the dowitchers. They all flew away. Everybody's really noisy today. Oh yeah, guys, I can tell you're just starving. Pigs. Mostly wood ducks here. They make a scritchy noise. This is a real bonanza for bird watching. And there's a teal, I think. There's a teal. I believe it's a teal. He's moving very fast. Beep, beep, whoop, whoop, caw, caw. Let's get one more shot here. Two beautiful pintails. I really hope this turns out. This is the longest one I've ever done. I tend to keep my videos really short. And there's another species, I can't remember the name. Oh, it might even be a ringneck.